Most lawn care business owners are wasting hours every week doing things manually that should already be automated. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, the winners are not the hardest workers, but the most organized operators. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for lawn care businesses in 2026, what each one actually does, and how they help you get more jobs, stay organized, and increase profit without adding more stress. Let's get right into it. First is scheduling. Apps like Jobber or House Call Pro let customers book appointments automatically. So instead of answering calls all day, someone like Jake can wake up to a full schedule already organized. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most lawn care owners still rely on texts and phone calls. That leads to missed jobs and double bookings. Second is Google Business Profile. This is not optional. It helps you show up when people search lawn care near me. It is one of the biggest free lead sources available. Third is CRM tools like HubSpot. These help you track every lead and follow up. For example, Alex can see which homeowners requested quotes but didn't book yet. But here's the problem most beginners face. They forget leads after one message. That alone costs thousands in lost revenue. Fourth is QuickBooks or Wave for accounting. These tools track income, expenses, and profit, so you actually know if your business is making money. Fifth is Stripe or Square for payments. These make it easy for customers to pay instantly, which improves cash flow. Now here's where it gets powerful. When payments are instant, you stop chasing money and start focusing on growth. Sixth is route optimization apps, like Circuit or Google Maps tools. These help you plan the fastest routes so you waste less fuel and time. Seventh is Canva. This is for simple marketing posts. You can create before and after lawn pictures or promotions in minutes. Eighth is communication tools like WhatsApp Business. You can send updates, reminders, and quotes quickly. Ninth is lead generation tools like Facebook Ads Manager. This helps you run simple local ads targeting homeowners in your area. 10th is reputation management tools like Nishiobo or Podium. These help you collect Google reviews automatically after each job. 11th is time tracking apps like Clockify. These show how long each job takes so you can price better. 12th is inventory tracking tools for equipment and supplies, so nothing gets lost or forgotten. 13th is invoicing apps inside Jobber or FreshBooks for clean professional billing. 14th is scheduling reminders that automatically notify customers before appointments. 15th is file storage like Google Drive for contracts, photos, and records. 16th is automation tools like Zapier that connect everything together. Now here's the truth, no one tells you. You don't need all 16 at once. You only need a simple stack that handles bookings, payments, communication, and leads. Once that system is in place, your lawn care business stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling like a real company. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you want to try first, and subscribe for more practical business tools and strategies like this.